Quick service refrigerator repair, Accokeek, Maryland, 301-248-5566. We service and repair all makes and models of refrigerators, freezers, and ice machines. We offer 24-hour emergency service. We are a licensed, insured, and professional company. Credit cards accepted. We service and repair residential as well as commercial refrigeration systems. Ice machines too. Keep your fridge running fresh. Free service call with repair. Give us a call now. Schedule an appointment today. Same day service available. Competitive prices and quick service. 301-248-5566.